I've got my travel schedule spreadsheet here, and I'm going to add some destinations. Instead of just adding some text, I'm going to make it a bit more interactive by going to Insert, Smart Chips, and then Place. I can then just search for my specific location, or basically any location I want. This uses Google Maps as an integration, so it's just like using that. So I'm going to go and search for something quite specific. So Tower of London, let's select this, and you get this really nice smart chip. If I hover over it or I click on it, you get this pop-out modal, which is just very similar to using Google Maps. I can even do things like check for directions, or I can open up the map as a preview. Because Google Maps is integrated into Google Sheets, you can see it in this panel here, so you don't have to leave the actual spreadsheet. It's all nice and interactive and integrated. And I can go on this map and actually remind myself where this is, check out a few nearby places, all those kind of things, and use all the features you'd expect with Google Maps directly integrated into Google Sheets. So I can just go ahead and add this for each of my destinations and make a really nice enriched spreadsheet here.